Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a VW Golf badge. First, gather your tools: a heat gun or hairdryer, some fishing line, and a clean microfiber cloth. It's also a good idea to have some painter's tape ready to protect the surrounding paintwork. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the area around the badge to ensure no dirt or grit scratches the paint during removal. This preparation step is crucial for a smooth process. Now, let's start loosening that badge. Using your heat gun or hairdryer, gently warm the badge for about 30 to 60 seconds. You want the adhesive to soften, not melt the plastic. Test the temperature with your hand. It should be warm, not hot. Once warm, carefully insert a plastic trim tool or a credit card under one edge of the badge to create a small gap. Be patient and work slowly to avoid damaging the paint. With a small gap created, it's time for the fishing line. Take a piece of fishing line, about 12 to 18 inches long, and carefully slide it behind the badge. Hold each end of the line and use a sawing motion to cut through the adhesive. Work your way across the entire badge, moving the line back and forth. As the adhesive separates, the badge will become loose. Once fully detached, gently pull the badge away from the car. After the badge is off, you'll likely have some adhesive residue left behind. Apply a specialized automotive adhesive remover to a microfiber cloth and gently rub the remaining glue. Be sure to follow the product's instructions. Once all the residue is gone, clean the area with a mild car wash solution and then dry it thoroughly. Finally, you can apply a wax or polish to restore the paint's shine and protect the newly exposed surface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.